What's up, everybody? We are leaving Ben Lomond, California, headed for Loch Lomond Reservoir up here in the Santa Cruz Mountains. I think it's kind of a hidden gem. It's pretty low key, beautiful. This is, I think, Glen Arbor Road from Ben Lomond. We'll be going onto East Zayante Way, and then onto Lompico Road. So we'll be going through Lompico, the little town of Lompico. I guess you can call it a town. I think technically the reservoir is Ben Lomond. This is Quail Hollow. This will take you to East Zayante. A little shortcut between Ben Lomond and Lompico, rather than going all the way through Felton. You can take East Zayante would lead you all the way to Felton. But anyways, yeah, I think it's a hidden gem out here. Built in 1960, I believe, so it really hasn't been around for too long, but it is water storage for Santa Cruz. Not all of Santa Cruz's water, but a good chunk of Santa Cruz water storage. You can fish there. I don't know how good the fishing is, really, to be honest. Not a whole lot of fish, I don't think, but I may be wrong. You can rent a boat. You can hike around. You cannot swim, however. No swimming allowed. You can't launch a boat on a daily basis. You can schedule to have a kayak or a boat cleaned, and then you can pay for storage. So you can paddle around there and have your own little boat or kayak or whatever, but you do have to pay for storage and keep it there once you get it cleaned. What else? It was the home of the Zayante Indians. They, of course, disappeared with the arrival of the Spanish. The Spanish came with the gold rush and to log. Do the regular Spanish type of devastation, you know. Approaching East Zayante Road here. One day I may do a vlog of this road entirely. You can take this road Creek Road, kind of the back side of the reservoir there. But rather than doing that today, we will be taking a left onto Lompico Road. Let's see here. Here's the left. Jerry Garcia and Janis Joplin once lived here in Lompico. This would be, I suppose, Lompico, or on the certainly on the way to it. I don't know exactly where it begins. Yeah, Jerry Garcia and Janis Joplin. This place used to be kind of littered with meth heads and other kind of druggies, but I think for the most part they've kind of been pushed out with the arrival of all the people from the Silicon Valley and whatnot, now living out here because it's too expensive to live out in San Jose or Santa Cruz. So kind of a little more normal people have worked their way out here. Still some pretty mountain folk. It's also the home of the Ghost Mountain Riders Motorcycle Club. I think they do a lot of good stuff out here, as far as I understand. Looked at a few houses back in the day before I bought my house in Boulder Creek. Definitely, it's one of the more affordable areas of Santa Cruz, and it's quite beautiful. They had some issues with the water for a little while. Some type of organism was in the water. They actually don't get the water from the reservoir up here, so the reservoir here wasn't the problem. I'm not entirely sure where they get the water for Lompico here and Felton, but yeah, they had issues for a little while and had to like boil their water or something. I don't know the whole deal. Now they've joined the San Lorenzo Valley Water, which is what I'm on, Boulder Creek. Also not sure where we get our water, to be honest with you. To my knowledge, it is not infected with anything. I hope that is the case. Here's a old park. Right over there. I think there was some kind of swim hole or something or other, but I don't think that gets frequented too much anymore. I almost missed my left turn. This goes through a funny little windy neighborhood before you eventually run right into the reservoir. Probably where all these cars are coming from. I said it was pretty low key, but watch, there will be a bunch of people up here. Cute little mountain houses. some of them. If you look closely, you might be surprised that they're standing. Some sketchy building practices at times. Here's the gate. Alright, we have made it through. You can also picnic out here. Don't remember if I mentioned that. That's probably a given though. And in case you're wondering, they do take credit cards, but not at the top gate there, so you've got to go all the way down and mention to them that you need to pay to get in, though you're already in. We'll do the responsible thing and let them know.